guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who have been here before, thanks for coming back. And for those of you who are new to my channel, thanks for stopping by and checking me out. For those of you who are familiar with my channel, I know it's been a while since I've been on here. I don't know, life happened and stuff got crazy, but things are finally starting to calm down. So I'm ready to get back into making my videos and thought I would start off with, gosh, what month am I in? April's Boxycharm box and April's Ipsy bag. Let's start with the Boxycharm box. So here's this month's box. Let me see. I was pretty pumped with this box, actually. We got some coupons. Let's see. Eye candy. So here's the little, they've like up their little thing, their little insert. So that's that. Let's see, let's hop into it. The first thing is the Tarte, I call it the Tarteist. Yeah, Tarteist, I don't know. Anyway, the liquid highlighter Pro Glow. So here's the box it comes in. Let's see, this retails for $29. So it's a little tube. Let's see. Oh dang, ooh, that's pretty. Can you see that? It's so pretty! I love getting these boxes in the mail. So, I feel like I always say the wrong price. I think it's $21, and that's not just because like I don't pay attention to it. It's just I signed up for it and I know that it's roughly like $21, and then Ipsy is like 10 or 11, and I think I say 11 and it's 10 or vice versa. I don't know. Either way, it's close enough. So that's the first thing. And in the Boxycharm, if you haven't seen these, you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products in a box each month for $21. And as I've said before, I like it because it gives me different brands that maybe I didn't know about, or things, new things for me to try, or new products. But you also get stuff like that, like stuff from Tarte or name brand products that you might use. Hold that thought. So this is the Brow Gal Instant Brow Hair Tinted Brow Gel Microfibers. Ooh, I'm excited about that. Because I do use that instead of the clear gel to set my brows with, but that's what it looks like. Ooh, that'll be a nice color. And I'm almost out of that. I usually use the Essence brow thing, but I've got quite a few of the Brow Gal products that have come in these boxes, like the eye pencil, the powder stuff to do your eyebrows, different ones. But anyhow, that retails for $22. So that's 30, 40, 50 right there between the two products. Next is Dr. Brandt. And I have not purchased any of these Dr. Brandt products, but quite a few of them have come in these boxes, and I actually really like them. Like the microdermabrasion, exfoliator. So let's see, vacuum cleaner, pore purifying mask, pores no more. And it's for oily combination skin, pore purifying mask. After cleansing, apply a thin layer, avoid eyes, leave on 5 to 10 minutes. Cooling sensation will occur, rinse with warm water and pat dry. Use 2 to 3 times per week. And this retails for $47. Let's see. You guys know I'm all about smelling things. Kind of stinky. I'm not gonna lie, you know what? You know what's kind of stinky? I bought a Physicians Formula foundation back in January, and which one is it? It's the Touch of Glow Foundation Nude Wear. This one. And I I really want to use it, and I really want to do a video, and I really want to try it. Weightless fluid, nude perfection, luminous glow, perfecting nude pigments, beautiful bare skin effect, skin glowing finish. But I tell you what, it smells like damn spray paint. Spray paint. So I cannot bring myself to put it on my face. And I had it for too long before I realized that it smelled so bad. So, I mean, at this point I can't really take it back. But I look at it and I'm like, gosh, I really want to try you. And I'm like, but you smell so bad. Anyway, a little off topic. Sorry. Okay, so this is product number 4. High definition liquid lipstick. Ipsy. Oh, I've told you guys before, makeup companies make me feel stupid when I have to pronounce some of these names and words and things they call their products. I'm like, I say them and I'm like, oh, I don't think that's, ooh, this is pretty. Squirrel. Like, get on one tangent and I'm like, oh, it's pretty. Let's see, high definition liquid lipstick. It is a pretty color. It's like a, let's see here, kind of like a mauve. Ooh, it smells good too. Ooh, it smells like cupcakes. I love cupcakes. So there's, it smells good. So there's the color. It's really pretty. It's really pretty. And this retails for $24. So just in that one product, I've made like what I pay for the box. I was super pumped about this when I opened my box. The ColourPop Golden State of Mind Shadow palette. So I've been seeing everybody do tutorials on this on YouTube, and I was like, oh, I really want that. And then it came in my box. So that to me is like the payoff of getting this box each month. This retails for $26, and yes, I know I could have just bought it myself, but it came in my box and I didn't have to. And then I got all these other products with it, so it's a win-win situation. Look how pretty they are. Look how pretty. Oh, which one shall we try? I really want to use this color up in the top. A little gritty. Not gonna lie, a little gritty. Oh, but oh so pretty. Oh, so pretty. So I just swatched that color right here. It doesn't have a name. It's just number 2 in the top row. I always smell those. I don't believe they use parabens. I don't believe so. Yay. I didn't think so, but I always double check because I didn't think some companies did, and I was really bummed out when I looked at my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette and it had parabens in it. Some of the other stuff doesn't, but that did, and I was really bummed out. Oh, I lied, it has names. I spoke too soon, so that would be Zero Clue. Oh, it's so pretty. So pretty. Let's do this coppery. Yes, you are definitely gritty. These look like they might go on better because of their gritty texture. Like, I feel like these might go better applying them with your finger. Let's see. Will this match? I don't know. I already have my makeup done, but let's try it out. I mean, like, I wasn't planning on doing a look, but so that's just one quick swatch and then putting it on my eye. And then let's see here. I might be lying to you, but let's see. Yeah, so these colors might be best applied with the finger. I mean, you can see the difference there between putting it on and that was just quickly and roughly just for the purposes of just showing you. So it definitely went on better with my finger than it did with my brush, and I really had it, you know, my brush coated. Well, anyway, so that's the Boxycharm box for this month, for April. I'm really excited to use these products and test them out. And what did that come to? So 30, 40, 50, 60, plus another 60, 50, 110, 20, 30, 40, 50, 150. That's crazy for $21. So I'm super happy about that box this month. Okay, let's see. Let me get my little, so noisy, sorry. I'm just gonna wipe my hand off because I've got stuff everywhere. And I happen to remember to put my makeup wipes close by. Because sometimes I get doing my videos and then start swatching and I've got stuff everywhere and then I don't have anything close by. Okay. So this is Ipsy's bag. Super cute. I like the color. Let's see. And with Ipsy you get 5 products. And this month it says Social Butterfly Ipsy, April 2018. Life's too short to skip all the fun stuff happening right now. So it's a little blurb about that. First product in here, I think this is Quay, I don't know. Finishing cream, hair care. Like lotion for your hair, that's lightweight cream, protects from heat styling, smooths dry ends, and gives fine medium hair that lived in look with a light reflective shine. Such tiny rating. So that's that. It's the first one. And it's half a fluid ounce. I'm gonna need this for my hair. Ooh, it smells good too. So that is number 1. Number 2, NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. It's not the NYX part, it's just that this color probably not gonna suit me. I don't know. Ibiza, I don't know. Yeah. Probably never going to wear this, but it is, I mean, it's a pretty color. If you could pull that off, shoot. You do you. And good for you. I wish I could pull it off. I don't think that suits me. I don't know though. We'll see. Oh, I love it when I get brushes. So Ruby. Looks like a little crease brush. It just says Ruby on it. So the bag says Shop Ruby. Ooh, I like it because it's like a thick handle. It's soft and it has like a little tapered end, so I would probably use that in my crease. So it'd be nice for doing the back and forth, rounding it out here and dragging the color across. Good deal. Hemp's Pure Herbal Extracts for Lips, Ultra Moisturizing Herbal Lip Balm with enriched with 100% pure natural hemp seed oil. So I got that. It actually smells good too. So we shall try that. And then one more. Steve Laurent's it's a blush. It's a pretty color. It says I'm blushing, so I'm assuming that's the color. It's like a deep, rosy mauve color. So that is that. Not a bad bag. I mean, a lot of lip. So it was there the liquid Yeah, so I got the liquid lipstick plus the other lip stuff plus the moisturizer. So a lot of lip products in this bag. I do like the brush. I like the bag itself. I'm happy about the hair cream. So sometimes it's like, but again, for $10 or $11 a month, I'm fine with that. I'm fine to get, you know, a couple different things. Usually it's a better mixture of products. It's usually I don't get 3 lip products in one bag usually. But, you know, maybe that goes off of what I pick, but sometimes I don't think it does. I think they pick the color stuff, like the colors that you pick maybe, but I'm not sure. I don't know. Haven't really figured out how they generate that. So anyway, again, thanks for stopping by my channel. I hope this helps you if you're deciding whether to do Boxycharm or Ipsy, if you're just contemplating getting, you know, one of these bags or getting into doing something like that. Again, that's, to me, it's affordable for me. It might not be affordable for you, one or the other, not both. And I know that doesn't work for everybody, but again, if you're, and I think you can do it on a month by month. I don't think you have to sign up and continually do it. So if you wanted to save up and try one of them and see what you think for a month, there you go. So I hope this helps you decide, and hope to see you at my next video. Bye guys.